Today, we are announcing a brand new series with Shaw University School of Business and Professional Studies and SCORE Raleigh. This series will concentrate on small business finances. It was born out of requests from our previous sessions where our members stated that they would like to know more about the financial parts of their business. We will start with financing your business in the startup, how to price your goods and services for profitability. We'll go on to teach about reading your reports, your financial reports, cash flow, balance sheet. All of that will be covered. And then in the final session, we'll talk about when your business matures, how you can start to build your retirement plans and get insurance and talk about wills and trusts. During all three of those sessions, we will also discuss self-care and how you take care of yourself as you build, grow, and exit your business. This series will start on Thursday, March 24th. We hope you'll join us. Remember, as you sign up for these sessions, sign up for all three. The Zoom link will be different each time. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you there.